Step 1, first remove the paper trays. Okay, let me put this one here. Move another one. Put this one here. Okay, let us start with this paper tray here. Okay, I'm going to show you for one paper tray, then you repeat the procedure for all others. Okay, this is where you will find the pickup rollers. What you need to do is you look at the roller. There is a lock. You can rotate it if it is not in the position where you can access it from. It has a lock. You press the lock and pull the roller. Okay, this is the lock I'm talking about. Okay, when you press it, it bends. So you press it like this and pull the roller from the printer. There's another roller here. Okay, you do the same. It has a white lock. You press it and pull the roller from the printer. This is the white lock I'm talking about. You press it like this and you press one finger here and pull the roller from the printer. Okay, now in the trays I have a roller here. We have also to remove it. There's also a pickup roller. What we need to do is we just need to add it to open here, to open that tray. From here you hold the roller's lock for the roller. You hold it like this and you pull the roller from the hook. Okay, remove it. Then when you get the new one, you do the same. You just reverse the process and you push it inside. Okay, just locked. All of these ones, let us assume these are new rollers. You put them back the same way I have shown you. I've showed you for the on the tray. You put it inside. You make sure it has locked. Okay, to make sure that it has locked, you need to try to pull it. If it is stuck, then you know that it has been locked. This is another one. You do the same here. Okay, push it inside. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing. You push it inside. You position it on the handle. Then you press the roller. It is locked. That is how we replace the rollers for this printer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.